So, hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Google and it is a Network Operations Residency Program and this is for a university graduate of 2025. And the job location will be Bangalore and they have mentioned that yearly here, right? That is for a early career where you does not require any work experience for this role, and here are two qualification. One is minimum and another one is preferred. The preferred here means that's not mandatory, but if you have those skills you will have a upper hand in getting shortlisted. So then the minimum qualification lets you know that you should have a bachelor's degree in telecommunications, electronic or computer engineering or equivalent fields, or you should have a equivalent practical experience. And you should have a internship experience in networking engineering, data center, system administration or another technical capacity. And you would be thinking that I mentioned this job role is for someone who does not have any work experience. Yes, but they have asked you about internship experience in these domains, right? In that you should have experience working with the network fundamentals such as TCP or IP, ARP, IP tables, routing or Unix system administration, including the coding like Java, C, C++ or scripting in Shell or Python. Then in the preferred qualification you can find out that they are telling you that you should have the ability to adjust to the changing priorities and make the quickest decisions with the limited information. You should have an excellent leadership skill, project management skill, and you should have the ability to work in a team. And other things are like excellent organization skill, communication skill, management skill. In the preferred qualification mostly they have mentioned about the soft skills, mostly like your leadership skill, management skill, communication skill, organization skill, such things. So you might come under the preferred qualification skill too, but don't forget that you need to add these things in your resume, such like TCP, IP, ARP, IP tables, routing, Unix system administration, and coding for Java, C, C++, scripting in Shell or Python, such things. So if those keywords are present in your resume, that might give you a good score in 8 years. And if you apply, your resume might get shortlisted here. And you need to add all those things that is required here. And you should be from the degree of these domains such like telecommunication, electrical or computer engineering. So these are the things that they have mentioned here. And here is some of the responsibilities. You should gain some exposure to network engineering or technical project management role. You should collaborate with the Googlers to plan, deliver, and operate the network infrastructure for Google. You should contribute to creative, innovative solution that might include like introducing a tool and automation or improving the processes to make the teams work easier. All you need to do is just add the keywords in your resume and click on apply here, and you will be redirected to the next site where you will have to enter all your details, such like here we have get started. You will have to enter your name and then about the country code and phone number. You should upload your resume and you will have to click on these things. You just need to read those things and proceed with it. After completing all this information, you just need to get into next sections like career profile, role information, voluntary self-identification, and review and apply. So all after completing all those things, you will just need to submit profile and complete everything, and your profile will be sent to Google. And if you are right fit, you will get a email from Google for this role, and you will have your interview and other processes. And I will provide the link in the description. You can just click on that and apply for this role. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.